Good morning, children. Hope you are good and safe in this pandemic situation. So, children, today we'll discuss about GK Chapter 1 World Monuments. As the answers were already being provided in WASM, but the explanation is not yet done. So, today we'll discuss about some of the famous world monuments. So, firstly, we'll begin with the Bell Tower in Pisa, Italy. So, do you know it also has another name? It is also known as the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Do you know why it is named so? So, now let's discuss about it. Okay, so first we'll discuss about the height of the tower. The height of the tower is about 55.86 meter from the ground on the low side and 56.67 meters on the high side. The width of the walls at the base is 2.44 meters. Its weight is estimated at 14,500 metric tons. The tower has almost 294 steps. Okay, now we will talk about how it began to lean. Okay, the tower began to lean during construction in the 12th century due to soft ground, which could not properly support the structure's weight, and it worsened through the completion of construction in the 14th century. By 1990, the tilt had reached 5.5 degrees. The structure was stabilized by remedial work between 1993 and 2001, which reduced the tilt to 3.97 degrees. So it has the structure of leaning, and so it is named as the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Next, we will discuss about the largest Hindu temple in the world. It is Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat is situated in Cambodia. Angkor Wat is a temple complex at Angkor. The place is Angkor itself. It is situated in Cambodia. It is the largest religious monument in the world, on a site measuring 162 hectares, which was built by King Suryavarman II in the early 12th century as his state temple and his capital city. So, it is the best preserved temple at the site. It is the only one to have remained a significant religious center since its foundation. It is the first Hindu dedicated to God Vishnu and then Buddhist. Number 3, it means the high city and it is in Athens. What is it? It is the Acropolis of Athens. It is situated in Greece. So, do you know the history about it? The Acropolis of Athens is one of the most famous ancient archaeological sites in the world. It is located on a limestone hill high above Athens, Greece. The Acropolis has been inhabited since prehistoric times. Over the centuries, the Acropolis was many things. It was a home to kings. It was a citadel, a mythical home of the gods, a religious center, and a tourist attraction. It has withstood massive earthquakes but yet stands still as a reminder of the rich history of Greece. Today, it is a cultural UNESCO World Heritage Site and home to several temples. It was built on a hill for protection. Number 4 is Big Ben. It is also known as the Clock Tower. It is situated in London. Do you know why it is named as Big Ben? Because Big Ben is the nickname for the great bell of the striking clock at the north end of the Palace of Westminster in London. This clock tower was designed by Augustus Pugin in a neo-Gothic style. When completed in 1859, its clock was the largest and most accurate four-faced striking and chiming clock in the world. The dials of the clock are 23 feet. The clock tower stands 315 feet tall. Big Ben is the largest of the tower's 5 bells. On 31st May 2009, celebrations were held to mark the tower's 150th anniversary. Next, number 5, we will talk about Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa, known as the Burj Dubai, prior to its inauguration in 2010. It is a skyscraper in Dubai. It is the tallest man-made structure in the world, with a total height of 829 meters and a roof height of 828 meters. Burj Khalifa has been the tallest structure and building in the world since its topping out in 2009. It has almost 163 floors. Lastly, we will discuss about Machu Picchu. This city is also called the lost city of Incas. This place is located on a mountain ridge above the valley of Urubamba in Peru. The famed ancient Incan city of Machu Picchu, often called the lost city of Incas, it is a legendary site today, but was unknown to outsiders until 100 years ago. This abandoned city was thought by archaeologists to have been an estate built for the Incan ruler Pachacuti around 1400, according to the International Union for the Conservation of Nature. It was first introduced to the world at large by an American historian in 1911. This city's name means old mountain, and the ancient city with its huge walls, terraces and ramps covers an area of about 126 square miles. Today, this is a popular tourist attraction in the world. So thank you, class. Rest we will discuss on the next class. So please stay at home, don't go outside, stay well, stay safe.